Hello friends, welcome in this video. Today we are going to continue the portion of degree of comparison. In the last video I told you that when the comparison is between more than two people or places or things, then all the three degrees, that is positive, comparative, superlative, you can make all of them. In the same way, this is the second type. In that series, this is the second type. First, let us underline this part and this part. You know that from very few, these two words or as adjective as, you can recognize it, identify it as positive degree. And I want you to specially give attention to very few, because this is the second time in the series of comparison between more than two people, places, things. This is the second type. In the last video we learned the first type of it. So now you can see that when the comparison is between more than two people, places or things, four types come. Out of them, this is the second type. Okay, very few, the words, just give attention, and this as, adjective as. So this is positive degree. It's comparative and it's superlative. Will begin with object and the part after very few, and the part before the verb is subject. This is the part which is subject. So your comparative will begin with object which becomes subject. Baldev is. You can see verb here is plural, but here it is singular, because farmers in our village is the subject which is plural. That is why the verb is plural. Here Baldev, the verb is singular. That is why the subject is singular. That is why the verb is singular. Baldev is more hardworking than most other. This part you have to remember, because it is the identification of comparative degree. Than most other. In the place of most you can take many also. If you don't want most, you can take many. It means either most or many. Than most other farmers in our village. So farmers in our village, the subject becomes object here. The subject becomes object. So Baldev, object becomes subject. Farmers in our village, subject becomes object. So now you can very easily understand that, excuse me, yeah, the lights have gone out, so I have opened the curtains. Now it's light enough for our video. Okay, to continue. So you can see here Baldev is more hardworking than most other. In the last type, in this place, than any other was there. The part was than any other, or the words were than any other. But here, than most other or than many other. In the last type, very few were not the words. In the place of very few, no other were the words. So you just try to understand the difference between these two types. So Baldev is more hardworking than most other farmers in our village. Now superlative and positive has got the same subject, like I told you in the past or last video. Baldev is one of these three words you must understand. In the last type, one of the didn't come or it never comes in the last type. Here it will come in this type. The positive begins with very few. The comparative has got than most other or than many other. Superlative has got one of the. Yes, Baldev is one of the most hard-working, superlative degree, most hard-working farmers in our village. One of the most hard-working farmers. After one of, it is found that some people use singular noun. After one of my best friend, they say, one of my best friends. So after one of, plural noun must come, like here. One of farmers means plural. One of the most hard-working farmers in our village. So now you can see that positive has got the words very few, positive degree you can understand by them, and than most other or than many other in comparative, and one of the in superlative. So you just focus on these three parts, so learning will be easy here. Now second example, Bihar is more backward than many other states in India. From this part you can understand it is comparative. So now Bihar is one of the. From this part you can understand it is superlative, one of the most backward states in India. And from very few you can understand that this is positive. Very few states in India are as backward as Bihar. So from the particular words you can understand or identify the exact degree. Like here in the third example, one of the has come, so it is superlative. Ooty is one of the most popular hill stations in India. Very few, these two words have come, so it means it is positive degree. Very few hill stations in India are as popular as Ooty. You can see that than most other, these three words have come, so it means comparative degree. Ooty is more popular than most other hill stations in India. In the next example, than many other has come, so it means it is comparative degree again. Very few has come, so positive degree, and one of the has come, so superlative degree. Just let's go further and see one of the has come, superlative degree. Here than many other has come, so comparative degree, and very few has come, it means positive degree. So we can just see from particular words we can identify not only the degree but the structure, the correct answer we can write because of those identifying words. So now from here we can start. Japan is more advanced than many other nations in the world. Answer is very few nations in the world are as advanced as Japan. Superlative degree, Japan is one of the most advanced nations in the world. This you know, superlative degree. Lal Bahadur Shastri was one of the humblest prime ministers of India. From this you know it is comparative. Lal Bahadur Shastri was humbler than many other prime ministers of India. From this you know it is positive degree. Very few prime ministers of India were as humble as Lal Bahadur Shastri. One more point, in comparative, as, and adjective comes. As adjective, as, or as adverb, as. So from this you can understand that learning degrees of comparison can be made easy by underlying some particular words. From those words we can exactly tell what degree it is, whether it is positive degree, comparative degree or superlative degree. I think you have understood this. Okay, so I say goodbye, thank you, take care.